OpenRouter API proxy server for Roo Code. Hey everyone, today, I'll show you how to improve your experience with Roo Code using an OpenRouter API proxy server. If you use OpenRouter with Roo Code and frequently hit API limitations, this video is for you. When using OpenRouter for free, you often encounter API restrictions that disrupt your workflow. This proxy server solves these issues with several key features. Manages multiple API keys, automatically switches to another key when rate limits are reached, ensures uninterrupted service. Roo Code continues running without disruptions. Smart error handling, automatically retries failed requests and recovers from issues. OpenAI API compatible, works as a direct replacement. Just change the base URL. Getting started. 1. Obtain API keys. First, create an account on OpenRouter and get one or more API keys. 2. Set up the proxy server. Install the necessary dependencies and configure the server. Add your API keys to the system. Start the proxy server. 3. Use it with Roo Code. Update the base URL in Roo Code settings to point to the proxy server. This proxy server comes with several useful features. API key management, smart rotation and monitoring of API keys. Full streaming support, smooth processing of requests. Logging and monitoring tracks activity and errors. Session optimization, uses the same key for consecutive requests. Automatic recovery, keys automatically reactivate after a cooldown period. Smart API key rotation system, sticky sessions, uses the same key for consecutive requests when possible. Cooldown handling, rate-limited keys are temporarily deactivated based on response headers. Failure tracking, a key is disabled after multiple consecutive failures. Age-based selection, prefers the least recently used key. Automatic recovery, deactivated keys are reactivated after a cooldown period. So if you're tired of constant rate limits and API disruptions when using Roo Code, try setting up this proxy server. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.